Alright, planner friends, now that I've been in my apartment for a little under a month now, I figured it would be probably a good time to give you an apartment tour while it's still relatively clean. So, you walk into my apartment, my door is behind me. Over to your right is my little coat closet here with some winter coats, scarves, and some extra shoes, and my work backpack is hiding down there. And then over to your left, we will turn you around. It's my lovely little bathroom. It's small, but it is nice and clean. Hey, planner friends! So yeah, that is, and I keep all my towels and stuff in a little cute little bin over there. So that's the bathroom, and then moving forward down the hallway, here's my little bedroom. It's not a huge space, but it does the job, and also you notice it's like a 3/4 wall, so it like bleeds over into the living room. So yeah, there's my content calendar that I made from some paint chips, my computer, all good stuff. Then over here, apologize, it's a bit of a mess, but here's my closet. So it's got a bunch of storage bins, some laundry supplies, and some clothes, which still need to be folded a bit better, but we're getting there. Moving on, we've got one of my favorite parts of this new apartment is washer and dryer. Oh my goodness, you have no idea what a relief this is to have this. My old place did not, and I clearly am loving it. Oh, and then the other fun thing is I have this like sliding barn door, and yeah. There, the bedroom is all sort of sealed off now. So we'll walk into the main living area, which is where I spend most of my time. We've got my fridge, let's go Islanders. Stainless steel appliances. This is kind of my landing zone, so like when I first come home from work, glasses and my work badge and my car key kind of just get all dumped there with my wallet so that I always know where they are. Extra battery. I made that out of string art, it's a little anchor. They're kind of interspersed throughout the place. Got these fun little shelves that my favorite drink is an old fashioned, so all the ingredients are over there. It's all good stuff. Nice dual sink that I'm a fan of. We've got the stove here with my water bottle and some receipts, don't mind the mess. We've got every day is a great day over there on the little board. Here's my kitchen island where I spend most of my time. I love putting together this little tray here. The tray itself is Hearth and Hand collection from Target, the Chip and Joanna Gaines stuff. And then it's just random things I've collected over the years. Some coasters I made out of some kitchen tile. Yeah, but then so I have all this fun stuff, and then I have my work email over here with my laptop. This is my primary like workstation. Got some plants over the windowsill, and then I have those pumpkins. My friends came out so much better than my failed attempt at a plaid one. Moving over to the living room, I've got my planner cart that I just set up, which matches everything pretty perfectly. I've got some wall art there. And then I have my lovely chair and TV and some more plants. I will say though, these are all postcards, Minnesota, Nashville, Colorado, and Chicago. And then the thing in the center is actually from my going away party. All my friends signed it, which was so sweet of them, and I had it framed. It was really cool. And then this print I got from, I think it was Groupon a long time ago, and it's all the different buildings in New York City based on heights. We got the Statue of Liberty, and the Empire State Building, the Freedom Tower, all sorts of cool stuff in there. I have to say the one thing I'm not fully settled on is, yes, there's a lot of space over there, and I'm trying to figure out what best to do over here. I might move that, I don't know. I just put it up there to really get the height of the room, but it's not necessarily working at the moment. But yeah, this is my apartment tour. It's not a huge space, but it feels really great, and I'm a big fan. And then the last thing is that I just put that up yesterday, the home sign just sort of gilds the lily and reminds me like, yep, this is where you're all settled in. So I am gonna go ahead and sign off for now. I hope you enjoyed this apartment tour of A Man with a Plan's HQ. More videos to come from here, obviously, but it feels great to be here, and I'm all settled in, I think, now. So thank you so much, and for all the well wishes and comments as I moved. It's a tough thing, but I got through it, and thank you so much to my friend Julia who helped me move. Like, girl, you're the best. But yeah, so this is my place. Let me know if you have any suggestions on how to decorate, because I know bunch of you out there have some really good ideas about what I could do to really make this place a home. All right, well, until next time, bye planner friends.